about domain and range for trigonometric function. Trigonometric function يعني sin x, cosine x, tan x, or 1 over tan x. A or 1 or A divided by B sin u. The last one A divided by B cosine u. About sine and cosine, if you have f of x equal to k sine x or k sine ux, ما is not problem. نقول لك هشتبك كشمالي. For f of x equal to k cosine bx, for example, for both function domain always equal to real number. Always equal to real numbers. But range equal to negative k to positive k. يعني the number before sine or cosine. يعني for example f of x equal about 2 sine 5x. Domain equal to real number. Range equal about number before sine k equal about 2. يعني negative 2 to positive 2. Another example يعني for example f of x equal about 3 cosine pi x. So domain equal to real number. Range equal to the number before cosine equal about 3 يعني negative 3 to positive 3. Negative 3 to positive 3. ماشي. About second function about tan u. tan u. طبعا tan equal about sine over cosine. It is rule. And because this function is a rational function and domain for rational function, you need to denominator equal to 0. Denominator يعني cosine u equal to 0. If cosine u equal to 0, u equal to pi over 2 plus n pi. This is rule. Must be memorize it. And very, very important for chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and chapter 4. So domain equal to all real numbers except this u, يعني except pi over 2 plus n pi. And range equal to real numbers always for tan x. For example, f of x equal to tan x. Because tan equal to sine over cosine. Because tan equal to sine over cosine. يعني you need to denominator equal to 0. يعني cosine x equal to 0. By this note, x equal to pi over 2 plus n pi. Pi over 2 plus n pi. يعني domain equal to all real numbers except pi over 2 plus n pi. Pi over 2 plus n pi. And range always equal to real number. Another example about tan for tangent function. For example, f of x equal about tan 2x. طبعا tan 2x يعني sin 2x divided cosine 2x. By the same way, deno equal to 0 يعني cosine 2x equal to 0. By this note, if cosine u equal to 0, then u يعني 2x. طبعا u يعني after letter s. يعني 2x equal to pi over 2 plus n pi. 2x equal to pi over 2 plus n pi. For finding x, you need to both sides divided by 2. يعني divide by 2, divide by 2. 2 cancel 11. X equal to pi divided 2 times 2 equal to 4 plus n pi over 2. So domain equal to all real numbers except pi over 2 plus n pi over 2, and range for this function always equal to real number. Always equal to real number. About fourth function, f of x equal to 1 over tan u. طبعا 1 over tan equal to cosine divided by sine. Cosine divided by sine. Because by the same, also this function is rational function, so you need to denominator يعني sine equal to 0. If sine equal to 0, sine u equal to 0, then u equal to n pi. By the same way, this it is rule for sine equal to 0. أما it's important for chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3, very important. طبعا by the same way, range for tan and for 1 over tan always equal to real number, range. But for domain you need to denominator equal to 0. يعني for example f of x equal to 1 over tan x. 1 over tan يعني cosine divided by sine. For finding domain must be denominator equal to 0 يعني sin x equal to 0. By this note, if sine equal to 0 then u equal to n pi يعني x equal to n pi. ماشي. So domain equal to all real numbers except n pi. All real numbers except n pi. ماشي. range كشي بديتيلا all real numbers. Another example about this function, this type. For example 1 over tan pi x. طبعا 1 over tan يعني cosine pi x divided by sin pi x. For finding the domain must you need to denominator equal to 0 يعني sin pi x equal to 0. By this note if sin equal to 0 then u equal to n pi يعني u after later n يعني pi x يعني pi x equal to n pi يعني pi x equal to n pi. For finding x you need to both sides divided by pi. Both sides divided pi cancel يعني x equal to n. So domain equal to all real numbers except n where n يعني بالله integer number كان and range طبعا range equal to all real numbers always for tan and for 1 over tan domain equal to all real numbers.